Take a closer look at our reverse osmosis water treatment systems engineered for reliable, high-purity water production you can count on. Each system is built on a sturdy stainless steel frame, fitted with premium RO membrane elements that deliver consistent rejection rates and long service life. Our control panels feature PLC touchscreen operation, real-time conductivity monitoring, and automatic safety protection, making every system easy to operate and maintain. Many units include UV sterilization and multi-stage configuration, ensuring your water meets the strictest quality standards, whether for drinking, pharmaceutical, or food-grade applications. From compact skid units to large-capacity industrial systems, we build them all right here. With finished systems ready in stock, we can ship your order fast. Quality you can see, performance you can trust. Contact us today for your custom water treatment solution.